Why do you think Malema loves so much foreigners?
He's an idiot. If Malema was alive, Nama 80s, active, he would have been a prime candidate in a place. I'm telling you, comrades would have dealt ngaye, because there is no way that South Africans, they are crying. Ukuthi Nigerians are pushing drugs. Business Nigerians, investment awenze. It's drugs, prostitution, all these guys, foreigners, Pakistan, these guys, they have subdivided themselves. Pakistan nama Ethiopian buyers ukudila ngokuhle. That's why kunamo bread mafia. This is our terrain and isiphazamisi la. Kunalezi ase Eastern Europe, sigcwele lapha ko east of Joburg, go Kensington, moya ngale ngase Eastgate. Ziyazi ukuthi thina sidila ngebouncing industry, sidila nga yabo all these things. But divided in our country. They are all mafias. You don't have Zulu mafias. You don't have Pedi mafias. You don't have Shangan mafias or Tonga mafias, Swati mafias. Yibo kuphela mama. Basithathele ne crime. You know. So yabona mase bakuthathela umsebenzi, bakuthathela ikhantsi, bakuthathela ne crime. The crime is the last dominion, last resort. So subdivided.
Mawuthi awafuna amakwerekwere. What do you mean by that? Because amaXhosa are found in Zimbabwe. Abumpofu bakhona apha eZimbabwe. So when you say asibafuni mabahambe, usho ukuthi everyone who has got a surname that sounds like Zimbabwean must go. It means the Mpofus here must also live. Abantwana bomzilikazi from the Zulu nation are found in Zimbabwe. The Tongas in Limpopo and Guyana, they are found in Mozambique. The Basutus in Free State and parts of Matatiele, here in Eastern Cape, are found in Lesotho.
What is going on between you and Julius Malema and EFF?
Come again? Come again?
What is going on between you, Julius Malema, and EFF?
Oh, what is going on?
Yes, yes, sir.
Ngomshaya lo mfana manje. Into ezokwenzakala iyodwa mfowethu. Julius Malema, I want to be very clear to your platform, Mechi. What is going on between me and him? He's an unfortunate situation for an African child and for a South African people. Because a person like himself and myself, akufanele ngabe abantu abalwa uyasazi nesingisi.
Yeah.
Mina ngisiza impanga lena bafowethu sivakashelo la. Ingane yethu izolotsholwa. Abantu abangasazi isizulu bazobe sibarobhile akazi lutho lo mfana yakho isona
man siyasizwa isizulu
into eyenzakalayo kwela ukuthi uJulius Malema, he's a dictator. He's only know himself. He have done that in the ANC and he have done that in an EFF. He outshine everyone so that he can be superior. The wrong leader in this earth. That's why Libya is not existent in African today. Because Gaddafi was only a sole leader. That's why Zimbabwe is what it is today. Because Mugabe was a sole leader. That's why IFP got so much challenges today. Because was an absolute leader. So when you create dictatorship, this is not your home. Even in your home, you must groom the next generation. That's the problem of Julius Malema. And then, when we meet, he has met his match.
So, hold. Am I on? So my question is, with that said, who are you grooming to be the president of the Pinga Nation?
My brother, We have just started.
They are your relatives. You've got children with them. Some of you during weekends, you even cross to go into an event across the fence. Ubuye unxilile without a passport. Mawuba soba uthi ufuna passport mabahambe mara ubuya eLesotho just yesterday. You are not aware. Someone has come to fool you and make you think there is a big problem for you to fight with your own neighbors.
uJulius Malema ufana nesikhwehlela simila ekufana ngisikhwehlela bese ngiyasiphimisa uyisikhwehlela uJulius Malema isikhwehlela uJulius Malema ungamanyala yabona
ithe inkantolo ngasakhulumi ngaye nje
angiyakutshena mina ngithi uyakutshena mina ngeke ngizwe mina
ngosho ke sobabeli
tshena iqiniso ukuthi into ebalekile la lento ukuthi uyangikhuphula akangikhuphuli wang-undermine ekade sihlangene naye no Floyd Shivambu wayekhona yonke lento leyo mawuthi uyayibuka uJulius Malema have overstayed his welcome, busy lying as an ANC Youth League leader, and what my esolo epanishwa ngokuphula imigomo yeqembu yena wabona kungcono uvula elakhe ngoba he was a lovey-dovey of the society at that moment, and then myself vula elakhe wayesehamba eyocorrupta intsha yethu yonke yase South Africa nasema university levels wayifaka iDNA ekholelwa ukuthi EFF iyaphila ufana necancer uthi uJulius Malema ufana necancer umdlavuza ngisho einganeni zethu. So now sidinga thina ama drip okuclean ingane zethu le gciwane elangena kuzona ekuthiwa uJulius Malema, so that we can govern and reparate this country truthfully ngoba any lies that are lying on earth, when truth reveal itself, it automatically collapse ngoba uNkulunkulu wawukhanda umhlaba wawusekela ngeqiniso amanga ayamuka phezu komhlaba. The only reason we are a threat to our government and to our political organizations because we are coming with the truth. We are not regulated, we are not controlled, we speak the truth as they are, and now we are here and we are going to change the whole world.
You said they take jobs. I asked the question. 300 Ghanaians went back to Ghana 3 days ago. Show me 300 jobs which were created after those 3 Ghanaians left. Say no, Mahama took 300 people back to Ghana. And as a result, here are 300 jobs that we created. Because what are me 7 years? Which jobs are they taking from you? Who wants to do these jobs that these people don't pay for? Because these people who come from outside South Africa, they are the ones who do those jobs during harvesting season in Stellenbosch, where they are not paid anything. And you will never want to do that job because we know our rights. We don't want slaves jobs. We want jobs that have got appointment letter with benefits, with pension funds, a letter that can confirm that you are economically active. Not jobs that are going to exploit South Africans. That's why you will never go back to take those jobs.
Yes, Mzansi, I want to quickly reflect on the Julius Malema interview on Metro FM. You know, a question was posed to Julius Malema by the lady as to what is your take that people are saying foreigners are taking their jobs because of these companies are taking the advantage of the situation and hiring foreigners instead of South African and pay these foreigners peanuts. Malema didn't answer that question. What he did, he came against South Africans as to say, no, Operation Dudula went to other place and removed those foreigners who are selling veggies. And till today, no South African went there and opened a business. Malema couldn't say at that time when he realizes that Operation Dudula has removed these foreigners. Now it's a greater opportunity for South Africans. What I'm going to do, I'm going to organize funds to see South Africans if they can do this business before he can talk in the manner he's talking. And say, guys, there is the money, go and buy veggies, start businesses, or rather go to small enterprise, that department of small businesses which support spaza shops. He didn't do that. Instead, he came against South Africans. So Malema is so strategic to criticize South Africans, to undermine South Africans who are voting the EFF. When he went to court in East London, thousands of young people went there to support their downfall. Malema is the downfall of young people in South Africa, because Malema is not supporting South Africans. Malema doesn't care about South Africans. But strangely so, Malema cares about his kids. So that thing says put your people first, put your children first. Malema is not doing that. Malema is comparing South Africans with foreigners. So if you believe that Julius Malema is the future leader of this country, you are doomed. Malema doesn't give a damn. There are people who doesn't have schools. Till today they are struggling. But that voice of the EFF is not there, because Malema stands for African brothers, foreigners, our neighbors, not South Africans. Umalema khonenye into ayimeleyo eSouth Africa yomuntu omnyama. Umalema umele kakhulu foreigners apha South Africa. So ndifuna ukuthi abantu abatsha, hey guys, niyayisupporta into elwanani, into edestroya nina. Niyamsupporta umuntu ongenamdla ngani. Malema kanamdla abantu base South Africa. Umalema but into efani ngaye abantwana bakhe abathanda. Kaloku uqale ivangeli liqale ekhaya, uqala uthanda bakho abantwana phambi koba uthanda bommelwane. Umalema uthanda abantwana bommelwane, not abantwana base South Africa. So ndifuna uthi ke yabona ingozi EFF ebomini bethu thina singabantu abatsha eSouth Africa. Ubani sayiphakamisa olhlobo iEFF kaJulius Malema nisakholelwa kuye, zeniyaza nikazi usebenza, zeniyaza nikazi uba nanto ngoba uMalema kananto indibanisa nayo.
In Alexander, 1 year, they took away the Zimbabweans and foreigners who were selling apples and tomatoes on the streets. Said, Mabahambe, let them go out. After they chased them away, no South African went to that space to sell tomatoes and apples. Abantu base Alex were saying, hey, you know, we now travel long distance to go and get tomato. Because when you remove them, you must go in and sell tomatoes. Stella Ndabeni has got 500 million to give you to start those spaza shops, to occupy those streets and sell. But they will never give you that money. It goes into their pockets. We're told 500 million is out. But I'm sorry, I'm not going to fight for spaza shop. I'm fighting for a mine. I'm fighting for a bank. That's why they divert you into spaza shops, because they don't want you to concentrate on the real economy. They want you to fight over crumbs while they are continuing to eat. Stop the hate, because from xenophobia is going to be tribalism. It's already tribalism somewhere in KZN where vendors are being beaten. South Africans, anyone who can't speak Zulu is being beaten up. You cannot promote hate. It doesn't matter how hungry you are. Even in your hunger, you must never hate. You can hate me for telling you not to hate. Why must I tell you to hate? I must tell you to love. And when I tell you to love, it means you must love yourself first before you can love other people. You are hating on other people because you are hating yourself. How will I differentiate in this hall? Who's Xhosa, who's Zulu, who's Venda, by just looking at you? Some of us from Limpopo are going to be the biggest victims because we are dark. At least you cause us abu matiba. Matiba umte. You shall survive. Tina hamba kai. Hey, I'm from aye. When you try to explain I'm from Yebari, tell us what is this in Xhosa. Oh, la la. What is an elbow in Xhosa? Finished. That's how hate works. I'm hated because I'm saying the white people and black people must be equal. And all of them benefit from the resources of this country. Why would you hate someone who says we must be equal? Because equality means unity. You will never be united when someone is up here and the other one is lower and you say you are united. How are you united like that? You have to bring them to a level, and that will automatically become a unity of South Africans. I've never promoted hatred anywhere, but I'm hated for promoting love and unity and equality. And the way they hate me for saying you must love each other and all of you benefit from the resources of this country. Sometimes I look at them, I'm like, these ones, if Jesus Christ was still alive, they were going to kill him. Because Jesus Christ preached Mfundis, love and peace and unity. That's what I'm saying. When I say to you, get the land, I'm not saying kill white people. I'm saying let's all have the land. Let's share this land. It can't be that 80% of the population owns 14% of the land. And less than 10% of the population owns 85% of the land.
uJuju guys ulibeke wacaca ke namhlanje and ndiyavuya man. Ndiyavuya into ba ilithethile icala lakhe ngendaba yama illegal immigrants and ndiyamthanda kodwa naxa ecampaignela kwi South Africans bamazimvotele engazovotelwa zezi illegal immigrants. Because ubuzwa into ba uthini ngendaba ye illegal immigrants ezizigcwelise imisebenzi endaweni yabantu base South Africa. Imisebenzi enjenge truck drivers ne waitresses. Uthi ke yena okokuqala akho nto kuthiwa illegal immigrant. Akho nto kuthiwa illegal immigrant, and even if bangakhutshwa ngo-Operation Dudula, akho nto bazawuyenza because South Africa will remain unemployed. That no, ndiyayithanda mna uba honest kwakhe because kaloku imission yakhe noba uyahamba ayomelwe court zi-South Africans zibile zibe nemisindo but nalapho khona irongo ziyenzayo uba ziyobona ziyokuchaphazela ngaye yena advocate.
You know, many South Africans are openly criticizing Julius Malema over his stance on foreign nationals living in the country. Critics argue that while South Africa welcomes illegal immigrants, undocumented foreigners staying in the country are violating immigration law and should be processed according to the law. The debate has intensified after Malema repeatedly called for foreign nationals to be documented rather than deported, arguing that many are already part of South African society. But however, many South Africans believe the government is not enforcing immigration law strongly enough. No, under South Africa's Immigration Act, people who remain in the country illegally can be ordered to leave or be deported unless they receive legal authorization to stay. Supporters of stricter immigration enforcement say the issue affects jobs, crime, public services, and national security. Others argue that undocumented migrants should be properly documented and regulated rather than being targeted through xenophobic actions. As tensions continue to rise, the immigration debate remains one of the most controversial political issues in South Africa today.